Hey friends, welcome back. If your My Toyota app isn't working properly, you're not alone, and the good news is most issues are fixable. Problems like login errors, features not responding, or the app crashing usually come down to software sync issues, expired subscriptions, or unstable connections. When the app version on your phone doesn't match your vehicle's system updates, communication breaks down, and features like remote start or vehicle status simply stop responding. The first thing you should do is update the My Toyota app to the latest version from your app store. If the app is already updated, try clearing its data. On iPhone, offload and reinstall the app. On Android, clear the app cache from settings. If problems continue, delete the app completely and reinstall it. This often fixes login loops and frozen screens. Next, check your connection. Make sure your phone has strong internet access and that your vehicle has been driven recently and is parked in an open area with good network signal. Toyota's system needs recent vehicle activity to stay connected. If the issue still isn't fixed, reset your car's infotainment system by holding the volume knob for about 10 seconds until it reboots. For severe connectivity problems, some users resolve the issue by temporarily disconnecting the car battery to reset the communication module, but always check your owner's manual first. If nothing works, Toyota support can check your subscription status and vehicle compatibility to pinpoint the issue.